What's up, guys? We are here on Line talking about stocks, and let's talk about CCIV. Before we get into that, we got to go through some disclaimers, though. These are my opinions, my thoughts. They should not be taken as investment advice. I am a simple random monkey ape online. Some monkey brain talking about monkey things. You never know what might happen in the stock market. It could go up, it could go down. Investing is risky. Make sure that you do your own research. Let's talk about CCIV now. Oh my god, it is trending on Twitter, I think, and it is going ballistic. The memes are awesome, but everyone's waiting for a merge. So CCIV isn't really a company right now, actually. CCIV is waiting to be merged with Lucid Motors. That's the rumor. So let's get that out of the way. That's the rumor, and everyone is hella hyped on CCIV because they think that Lucid Motors is Tesla, but better, and Tesla for the more rich. So let's take a look at Lucid Motors real quick, and then we'll take a look at some of the memes and talk about what's going on here. So Lucid Motors is a car company made out of America, and they are starting out their journey with believe it's a $69,000 car. Yeah, so $69,000 car. Let's get a max projected range of 517 miles per charge. So it beats out all the Tesla models to my knowledge. Again, I'm a monkey brain, so if I say anything stupid or wrong, feel free to correct me. My facts are not always going to be correct. Do your own research and make sure that you understand what you're investing in if you invest in anything. But this is what I think. This is my thoughts. So again, 517 is the highest. It also has a faster charge time. So if we explore, their cars, and it says it's coming out 2021 spring. They also have several factories. It's a story of California where we'd find limitless possibility landscape and our ambition, the birthplace of Hollywood glamour and Silicon Valley innovation. We are forward thinking, we who set new standards. We live life with a clear vision of what it can be and then strive to make this a reality. And I mean, the car looks gorgeous. The car looks amazing. 1,080 horsepower max, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. Charge time for 300 miles is 20 DC fast charge time. If I remember correctly, that is actually like the fastest charge time out there. So like this company is beating out Tesla at their own game. Yes, the car has not officially released yet, but it's coming out very, very soon, spring 2021. They also have a more higher end. So this is kind of like they call it like the BMW of electric vehicles. So the Air Dream Edition. This is a limited edition, $161,000 dollar car here. Spring 2021, 503 projected range. And you can see they're going to have several different models. Air Pure, Air Touring, Air Grand Touring. So look at these prices. It's extremely expensive, but this is quality, and there's going to be premiums on this quality. And then, of course, with luxury items like this, I just have to imagine that the profit margins are through the roof. Like, this car probably costs them maybe, what, $60,000, $55,000? This is just random guesses. So they make $15,000, $20,000 profit on this car. This car probably cost them about the same, $60,000, $65,000. So again, make $20,000. This car over here, it probably only cost them about $70,000, maybe $75,000, but they're going to make like $60,000 profit. So as the price of the car goes up, I would imagine that they start making more and more profit on these things. And over here with this one, the special limited edition one at 161, they're probably going to be making like $60,000 profit on this thing. And, these are going to sell out because electric vehicles are all the rage and super hyped. Like, look at Tesla. Tesla is the #1 car dealer in the world. If you look at their market capitalization, their stock, they actually have more market capitalization than all the old car companies combined, like Ford, GM, Chrysler, Volvo. Like, they're bigger than all those car companies combined, yet they sell like 1% of cars. Again, the numbers are made up. I don't know the exact numbers off the top of my head, but you get the idea. That's all we're talking about here, the concept. And yeah, Tesla fans are hella hyped for Lucid. They have Tesla people. So people that worked at Tesla, people that developed Tesla, design engineers and so forth, are part of Lucid. They are an incredibly powerful company. Like, look at that. It's just gorgeous. Like, they know what they're doing. So let's take a look at the memes here, and then we'll talk about the stock. So memes are always they're always just the greatest in the world. Like, people are so creative, and you can see like the stock is rocketing up. So we got the guy on the rocket here. Let's go to the latest. Let's refresh this and see what's happening. Hold CCV after hours. Time to sell? Question mark. So people are now questioning time to sell. Where's the memes at, boys? It's going crazy. So let's show you why these things are going crazy. It doesn't look like it's actually trending on Twitter yet. It should be trending very, very soon, but you can see, look at this. This is like the stock chart right here. What's going on? Look at this movement. This is insane. And look at the volume down here. Insane movement. Do they know something that we don't? That's the thing. Is there insiders that are buying shares before they make the merger announcement? That's what people are anticipating. That's what they're riding this wave of. The wave of momentum. Yes, it can come down, and yes, it will come down if they do not announce the merger, today or tomorrow. It probably will come down. Again, monkey brain, don't know. This is my thoughts. This is cool right here too. Like this, look at these guys. So on Wall Street Bets, they're talking about, GameStop and the stock and like what's going on over there, right? And so it's like apes in control. So then the next person is like, yeah, what's going to sell? But this makes a lot of sense. It's going to hold now. The memes are awesome, guys. Someone's happy. So overall, the hype, the anticipation, like 35.05, this stock got up to. It looks like it's currently around 34.20 right now. So slightly down from that all-time high, it looked like. What else we got? Anyway, if you are interested in this company, make sure that you do your own research. Don't just jump on the bandwagon. That's something that's really bad. You don't want to jump in right now without doing your due diligence, making sure that you actually know what you're getting yourself into, and you don't want to ride the coattail of the hype, because this could be the peak. This could be the peak of anticipation on CCIV, and if things die off, the stock prices dies down, and it's incredibly high right now. Those folks will wish they were not blocked once you get clean on Mad Money to talk about CCIV. Ooh, is he going on to Mad Money? That could be interesting. My God, I leave for an afternoon and you'll break CCIV. There's a difference between AMC and the CCIV. AMC is a pump and dump stock with no fundamental profitability. When CCI merges with Lucid, this stock is going to be a long-term hold, and you won't ever see it under $40. So that's probably a correct statement right there. Like, if they do merge, the big question is if they merge, this stock will probably never be under 40 again. My original thesis on this stock was if they merge, it was going to go to 100. And that was when the stock was at $16. So I've been an early adapter. As soon as like this kind of news broke from, I think it was Bloomberg, they broke the news story that, hey, CCIV might be in talks with Lucid Motors to merge. I did some quick research, found out, was like, hell yeah, I'm buying in. So I got in this to around like $16. Did a little bit of trading here and there, got in and out. And yeah, so I made some money off of this already. But it looks like there's just so much evidence out there between like the partnerships that they have in the Saudi Arabia, and then also the CEOs and management teams from CCIV and Lucid Motors, like being like joint together, the filings that they've done for like new hires. But we'll take a look at some of the news right here. So if you type in CCIV in Google, you can just see the research that people have done. And right now we're just on the hype wave. So it looks like down to 33.55. Hype has dined down a little bit. I mean, it's absurd. Like, this was a $10 stock a month ago. So people are talking, is Reddit lifting the stock? Well, the thing is, this stock was actually banned on Wall Street Reddit, or Wall Street Bets, because it was a SPAC. It was a special acquisition merger thing. And they were not allowing you to post CCIV news or information on Wall Street Bets. It was too speculative for Wall Street Bets. Let's let that sink in. And this is before Wall Street Bets blew up to like 8 million subscribers. This was when Wall Street Bets was like 2 million subscribers. Okay? So they were not allowing us to talk about CCIV back then because it was too risky. It was just simply a rumor. Everyone was buying the hype, buying the rumor. And yeah, although there are recent posts, most have garnered only a few upvotes. That does not mean that Lucid Motors SPAC merger is not a wildly exciting opportunity. It just means Redditors may not be solely responsible for the rally today. In fact, there are always hopes for a merger Monday at play. When was this article posted? This article was posted February 1st. So yeah, so that's why like you won't see a lot of CCIV news on Reddit. Is it's been a banned stock. So it's been banned on like Reddit, it's been banned on Reddit investing, it's been banned on Wall Street Bets. Like you cannot post this stuff on there. It gets taken off. So yes, here's a question that a lot of people should be answered. Will the stock crash if there is no merger? And the answer to that is obviously yes. And this was written at 22.33, and the stock currently is at 33.75. Like, all-time high of 27.30. The fever got, way up there back in that day. That the old days, like a week ago it was. So yeah, they already have factories. They have a factory in Arizona. There are plans to build a second factory in Saudi city of Jeddah. Ramp up capacity quickly to be able to produce 400,000 cars per year. And you can see a lot of research, a lot of information out there about mergers and these two companies. And if you dive in, you can find a lot of connections. And that's why people are really, really hyped. So let's go and see. Reddit CCIV says, oh, that's cool. So I don't think I've ever seen this before. This looks like a live chat stream here on Reddit. This is cool. I wonder if we can find out how many people are in this chat room. Oh, maybe this is the entire thing. Okay, 2,200 people online right now. 7K members total. This is cool. I didn't even know Reddit had anything like this, like a live chat room. About 500 shares at 15. Let's go to the moon. The fact that they emphatically clamped down on... What does it say? No, I don't want to block you. Stop. No, I want to see you. No. Clamp down on any discussion of Lucid seems to be to confirm that Bloomberg report that discussions are happening. Have never heard of Lucid until today. Ready to YOLO. You got a lot of people like that just YOLO. Let's go. Let's go. If this blows up, if this is the next Tesla, you're looking at huge returns. Like, this is Tesla at, what, $30? Like, that's crazy, right? That is crazy. Tesla's at essentially like a $4,000 stock right now when you factor in the stock splits and things like that. So this would be buying Tesla, which is like $4,000 at $30. That's nuts. Of course, they need to prove their concept. They actually need to, push out vehicles and services and so forth. But yeah, that's why people are this YOLO. Like, let's go. If you buy at 30 and it's really going to be 4,000 in like a year, look at the money you made. That's insane. That could be 100x right there if this goes up to Tesla valuation. Like, and that sounds crazy. That sounds like an exaggeration. It sounds like, no, it's never going to happen. But Tesla did it, right? Tesla did like 100x in the last, 2 years? All right, so let's look at the 5-year chart here and see. So we'll say, $40, $46, and 875. So not as crazy as 100x. It's a 20x roughly increase. So if you bought it 5 years ago, you 20 times your money roughly with just holding Tesla. And you don't even have to go back that far. You can, if you bought it at 2019, at the beginning or the end of 2019, it still only would have cost you $65. And you still would have 10x plus your money, like 12x your money. Look, for the longest time, Tesla was only a $40 company. And then zoosh! Crazy. So that's why there's this insane hype for CCIV and Lucid Motors. Anyway, guys, just wanted you to know about this. I do not want you to take this as investment advice. Again, as always, we are here just for simply entertainment purposes. We're here for the memes, boys. Yes, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you have a good time and stay safe out there.